Kamaini, let me start with you. Well, things have massively changed for women investors with financial literacy in the last few years. We are no longer having those conversations that, why are women not investing or what is stopping them from getting financially literate? Thank God for that. We have a lot of women now participating in their investment decisions and they're making very good progress. Yeah. But yes, there is a lot to be achieved, but women are realizing more than ever that mutual funds can be a strategic tool for achieving financial independence. What do you think has brought about this change? And how does it compare to other investment options in terms of accessibility and benefits?
Thanks, Mugdha. I think it's a great question that you have posed. It is obviously very clear that over the past decade or so, I think the way steps have been taken to promote financial literacy overall, not only among women, obviously has been a very good way in which we can see that people overall also have started taking their own financial independence, planning everything much more seriously. One of the best changes, like you said, that I can see is, of course, the fact that earlier when I used to approach a woman investor, the answer I used to get most of the time was that please talk to my husband, talk to my father, talk to my brother. They are the one who take the financial decisions. That's no longer the case. Women are more and more participating in their in financial decisions. Women are taking their own financial decisions, and I think overall the awareness that has been spread by, obviously the media has played a very large part. Amphi has played a very large part, and things have really started taking a very good shape in terms of being able to explain in simple language on how and what and where women can invest. So it's been a mixture of all of this that has helped in the financial literacy going forward. Also, I think if you talk about mutual funds specifically, I think the fintech platforms, the accessibility of everything digitally, the ease of investing in mutual funds has played a very large part in making sure that women also find it very simple to be able to just execute decisions and be able to do the participation without having to go through jump through hoops for anything. So in terms of accessibility, when you said whether it is a fixed deposit, whether it is a mutual fund investment, whether it is buying stocks, I think it's become so much simpler, it's become easier, it's become accessible, and everything is available at your fingertips, right? Everything is digital. That's what I think has promoted not only having more and more women participating also, but because also having ease of transactions in general, making it a bigger pie for everyone.
Well, so very well put there, Kamani, because a lot of times we were wondering, women with that gender tech divide, how will they get access to these digital platforms? But thankfully, times are changing. We do have a long way to go because we do have a gender tech divide in the country, but the moment women are getting their hands on smartphones, the moment they are understanding what are the options available to them, it is life altering for the entire family.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार के जोखिमों के अधीन है। स्कीम संबंधी सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।